Before we begin, I want to say something from the heart. I apologize that I was away for a few weeks. Life happened, growth happened, preparation happened. But now, I'm back. And from this moment on, you'll be getting amazing content for you and your loved ones. Stories that inspire, educate, and spark curiosity. Now let me ask you something. What if the next Winter Olympics wasn't just about sports? What if it was about redefining the future? A future where tradition meets innovation, where mountains carry history, and ice becomes the stage for human greatness. In 2026, the world won't gather in just one city. It will gather across an entire nation. Welcome to the 2026 Winter Olympics. For the first time ever, the Winter Olympics will be spread across multiple iconic regions of Italy, from the global fashion and finance hub of Milan to the breathtaking alpine beauty of Cortina d'Ampezzo. This isn't a random choice. It's a statement. Italy is saying, the Olympics don't need to dominate a city. They can coexist with it. Ancient streets, modern arenas, snow-covered peaks that have witnessed centuries of human history. The stage is set, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Milano Cortina, 2026 is not about excess. It's about intelligence. Instead of building massive new structures that may never be used again, Italy is upgrading and reusing existing venues. Why does this matter? Because the world is changing, and global events must change with it. This Olympics focuses on environmental responsibility, long-term community benefit, lower carbon impact. This is a blueprint, a message to future host nations that greatness doesn't require waste. The Olympics are evolving, and 2026 may be remembered as the turning point. With over 90 medal events spread across 15 winter sports disciplines, the stage is set for something truly remarkable. From the razor-thin margins of alpine skiing to the explosive creativity of snowboarding, and honestly, the relentless endurance demanded by biathlon. Every event tells a story. It's a story of discipline, a story of sacrifice, and a story of pushing the human body beyond what once seemed possible. These athletes aren't just competing against each other. They're competing against time, gravity, fear, and doubt. In the cold, there's really no room for excuses. Only precision survives. What we often don't see is the psychological war. Years of training for just seconds of performance. One slip can erase an Olympic dream. One perfect moment can define a lifetime. Athletes at the Winter Olympics face extreme weather, intense global pressure, and the weight of representing entire nations. Some will arrive as champions, others will leave as legends. Because the Olympics don't just measure strength, they reveal character. We live in a world that often feels divided. Different opinions, different borders, different struggles. Yet every 4 years, something remarkable happens. The world pauses, flags rise, not in conflict, but in unity. Languages differ, but the emotions are the same. The Olympics remind us that humanity still knows how to come together. Milano Cortina, 2026 is more than a sporting event. It's a reminder that cooperation is still possible, that excellence is still celebrated, that hope still exists, even in the coldest places. Long after the medals are awarded and the flame is extinguished, the legacy remains. Stronger communities, smarter infrastructure, a new global standard for hosting world events. Future generations won't just look back at who won, they'll look back at how it was done. And Milano Cortina 2026 will stand as proof that progress and tradition can move forward, together. So when the Olympic flame rises over Italy, remember, you're not just watching sports, you're witnessing history in motion. You're watching limits being rewritten. You're seeing the future unfold on ice. Thank you for being here. Thank you for waiting. And welcome back to MaverixRealm, where curiosity knows no limits. Subscribe, follow, share. Because the most powerful journeys are the ones we take together.